with Shay. I'm here for a really quick video. David is he's in the Salvation Army, so I was like, okay, let me record this video really quick. So listen, y'all, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the POW. POW, if you take a second and subscribe, also make sure you smash like button, support your girl. Of course, don't forget to hype your girl up as well. So I do have three deals to share with y'all. I know they're not gonna last. I have already added them on my community tab, but I thought I would do a video as well for those of you who kind of miss those deals that I post there, which I don't really post a lot of deals there, but if there's something that's fire that I want to get out sooner, then it would take me to do a video, then I'll just post there. And so these three deals won't last. They are available for, there's 2 Dove deodorant deals and 1 Degree deal. The Degree and the Dove spray are both available for both Walmart Rewards and Ibotta. And so I have, y'all know I have 3 Walmart accounts that I use. I use my primary one, and then I had a backup one, and then I started using Joseph's. And so I did curbside for the Dove spray and the Dove sticks. Now the Dove spray, the online price is $2.99. It does say when purchased online. Some stores will still allow you to price match it. I just went ahead and just did curbside for all 3 of my my Walmart apps, and that worked out perfect. And so yeah, if your store will price match it, then it's even better for you because you can just do it in store. And so with that being said, I'm gonna head into Walmart, see what kind of, well, we already know what deals we're gonna grab. Actually, let me stop. I already did them. They're right here. I already did them. I already picked up my order, and then I went inside and did the Degree. So I'm gonna run through the deals really quick, and then I'll probably do a breakdown, a short breakdown clip at the end, just to let you know how much I paid, how much I made. With that being said, I hope you are enjoying the video, and if you are, definitely don't forget to hit the like button. And I will see you in Walmart for some awesome deals. All right, yeah, so this deal here is on the Degree. It's only on the Cool Rush one. Like, that's the only one that it's working for. It looks like they only have, they might only have one. There might be one behind this one here, I think. So they're priced at $3.97. Let me take out my little cheat sheet. They're priced at $3.97. For this, you can grab 2 of them, and that total is going to come to $7.94. You'll get back 6 on Swagbucks or one of the other sister apps, $4 on Ibotta, and then $1 on Checkout 51. It'll make it a $3.06 moneymaker. Another option is to grab 3 at $11.91, $8.50 on Swagbucks, $6 on Ibotta, 1 on Checkout 51 makes it a $3.59 moneymaker. The last option is 4 of them at $15.88, 12 on Swagbucks, 6 on Ibotta, and 1 on Checkout 51 makes it a $3.12 moneymaker. It looks like they only have 2, so I'm just gonna grab 2 of them, and then it'll be a $3.06 moneymaker. Actually, they have some of these up here. They keep restocking this one, the orange one. It's $2, so you would actually grab 2 of them at $2. You'll pay 4, get back 6 on Swagbucks, 4 on Ibotta, 1 on Checkout 51. What is that? $8 moneymaker. So I'm gonna grab the 3 they have here and probably get 3 of these and then 1 of these down here, and it'll be an awesome deal. Dove Men Care. It's on these sports ones. Now I'll pop up the one that is cheaper online. It's $2.99. And then we have a Walmart reward offer. It's buy 2 get back 8. So grabbing 2 of them, you'll pay $5.98, get back 8 for Walmart cash. Makes it a $2.02 moneymaker. I already used the offer for Ibotta, so I assume you could do it there as well. I did do curbside, and I went ahead and did a set for all 3 of my Walmart accounts. Deodorant deal, this store doesn't actually carry. I got that at the other store. It's the Dove Men Care, the little travel size. It's priced at $1, and you're getting back $2 for Walmart cash, limit of 3. So you could grab 3 on 1 receipt. pay 3, get back 6, which is what I did. 2 of my Walmart accounts, I went ahead and did that deal as well. So I think the 2 deodorant sprays and the 3 sticks, I think I paid like, subtotal was like 8 something, and then I got back $14, which is really cool. And so yeah, definitely it's not a bad deal at all. And yeah, this is not gonna last long, so I would do this deal sooner than later. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna try to make this super, super quick. This is all that I got today. I was gonna do other deals, but I really just wanted to do this before it's gone. I know one of you guys already commented that they pulled the Dove travel size one. I'm not sure if the other stuff is still good, but I did do the Dove spray and the Dove travel on all 3 Walmart apps. For the degree, I ended up scanning the blue one. So I did 1 set with 2 blues, and then the sprays, I scanned it blue instead of the green one. Just FYI, transparency mode. All right, but the green one does not work. All right, now as far as, I think I submitted on Bucks for the degree, all 4, that receipt went straight through. The set of 2 that I did for inbox dollars, that one did go into review. All my Walmart reward cash processed as soon as I picked up. And I put my order in early this morning, like I would say 4:30, 5 o'clock. I put it in. It did initially say pick up after 11, but then it was ready at 7. It was ready at 6:30, but they don't start pickups till 7. So I picked it up literally at 7:15, 7:20. Automatically got my Walmart cash, which was cool. And then I went in store and grabbed the degree. But everything worked out really, really good. I didn't have any issues at all. I did want to mention that Dove, it was the Dove hair care. I thought it was the body wash, but it was actually the Dove. I'll have to pop it up. I'm not sure if it was the shampoo or the conditioner one. That was $3.99 online. So it's essentially you would grab 2 at 8 and get back 8, making them both free. But I did the deodorant since it was more of a moneymaker. And so yeah, so I'm gonna try to run through these numbers really, really quick. And so everything that you see here retails $44.85, which is crazy, right? At the same time, it's actually more than that because the degrees were on clearance and the Dove sprays were basically half off. So it would actually be a lot more than that. Obviously, I didn't have any coupons, so the out-of-pocket was the out-of-pocket. Getting back $46 from Walmart rewards. Bucks is $12. Ibotta was $6. Inbox dollars was $6. And then Checkout 51 was $2. So we're getting back a total of $72 back, which is amazing. Making everything you see here free plus a $27.15 moneymaker, which is crazy. Like, this ended up being such an awesome deal. Probably will put together some deals for tomorrow. I just didn't want to do a whole lot this morning. I just kind of low-key wanted to just go and grab these deals because, again, I know they're not going to last long. And so with that being said, let me know if you were able to score. If there's any other deals that you were able to score on, definitely share in the comments. With that being said, I hope you guys are having the most amazing day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. If you make it to the end, let's just see any flag emoji in the comments if you make it to the end. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.